Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Valorant black screen or getting stuck on launch issue. So the first thing that you can do is just simply enable the full screen optimization and run the program as administrator. For doing that, just simply go to your file explorer. Then for most of you it will be in C, and over there you will find Riot Games, and in that you will find Riot Client and Valorant, and the game should be over here, but for me it's somewhere else, so I'll just simply go there. So for me it's in E. Now after in your Riot Games folder, just simply click on Riot Games, then Valorant, then Live, then over here you will find Valorant. Now just simply right click on Valorant, then click on Properties. Now over here just simply go to Compatibility, and over here just simply check Run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimization. Now there is one more setting that you can do is run this program in compatible mode. So just simply click over here and check the box and then choose the latest version of Windows which is available to you. It might be Windows 10, 11, but in my case it is 7 and 8. So I'll just simply choose 8, and after doing that just simply click on apply, then OK. Now the next thing that you have to do is just simply open your task manager. So for doing that, just simply right click on your taskbar and click on task manager, or in Windows you can press Ctrl Shift and Escape. That will also open the taskbar. So after you're in your taskbar, simply go to details. Now over here just simply search for Riot, which you will find over here, and the one which we are looking specifically is Riot Client Service.exe. So just simply right click over here, then go to set priorities and either choose above normal or high. Just simply choose one of those, then click on it, then click on change priorities, and after doing that just simply restart your computer and see whether the issue is fixed or not. So after the restart, if you're still facing the problem, what you have to do is now add a new variable in your system. So for doing that, just simply click on your start icon, then simply search edit and open edit the system environment variables. Just simply click on this. Now after the system properties pops up, what you have to do is just simply click on environmental variable over here. Just simply click on it. Now after that, just simply click on new, and over here you will be asked to enter variable name and variable value, which you will find in the description box below. So just simply copy and paste it, which is this one. So just simply copy the first one, paste it over here, and then do this for the second one as well. Copy it and paste it. Then just simply click OK, then close the windows. Now over here click OK, and then again click OK. Now after that just simply check whether do you have an update in your system or not. So for doing that, just simply right click on the start icon, then go to device manager. Now over here just simply click on your graphics driver or graphics adapter, which you will find in display adapters over here. So just simply click the drop box, then over there you will find your graphic card. So just simply right click on it, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers, and if you have an update it will automatically update it for you, and if you don't it will be the exact same as mine. So after doing that, just simply close the window, this one as well. Now the last thing that you have to do is just simply check whether your VGC services are enabled or not. So for doing that, just simply hit Window plus R on your keyboard, then search service.msc, which you can see over here, then just simply press OK. Now over here just simply search for VGC, just simply click on any services, then press V and it should appear, then double click on it. Then over here, as you can see, it is currently on manual. So what you have to do is just simply click on the drop box and choose automatic, then click apply, then OK, then close this window, then restart your computer and see whether your Valorant is fixed or not. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.